Shelly's Homemade, and today we're going to be making some honey lemon garlic roasted chicken. So first thing we're going to do, as you can see, I have my chicken wings here, and I have my oven heated on 425 degrees. And I have my cookie sheet that's been lined and sprayed for easy cleanup. So I have chicken wings. They're pretty big, nice size wings that I have washed and cleaned, feathers off. Alright, so first thing, we're going to add some olive oil. Any kind that you have is fine. Just going to pour it all over the chicken. This is going to help get that crispy skin that we're looking for. So like a half a cup will work. See, my oven is preheated. Now we have some Shelly's house seasoning, which is salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic, onion powder. We're going to use like 3 tablespoons of this beautiful mixture. It works on everything. You cannot do anything in this kitchen without Shelly's house seasoning. Alright, now we have garlic and onion spice blend that I got from Ross. It's $3.99. Add some of that. Yeah. Now add some honey. And we don't want to add too much honey because we don't want it to burn, but we want to give it that honey flavor in the background. Alright, so half a cup of honey will do you. We have 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice. Get in here with your hands. Just mix it up. Let's get it coated all over the chicken. You want everything coated onto this chicken. And if you're looking and you feel as though that you need more seasoning, by all means, add some more. You know, if you want to do it to how it tastes for you, how much seasoning you want on there. Alright. You're going to get it mixed all on this chicken with the lemon, the honey, the Shelly's house seasoning, the garlic onion blend, everything to adhere to this chicken. I think I'm just going to use some more. This one here and some Shelly's house seasoning. Not going to add any more honey though. So 1/4 of a cup of Shelly's house seasoning and 3 tablespoons of the garlic onion mixture. Now if you don't have the garlic onion mixture, just use some fresh garlic, or some minced garlic or whatever. Now I'm using dry seasoning because I really want it to adhere to. Ooh, scrub my counter. Man down. I gotta wipe my seasoning bottles up. I touched it with these gloves. Now this is what you're looking for. You want it to look like this. You want to have all of that mixture on here. Scoop from the bottom to the top, guys. Bottom to the top. Right? And these are going to be some delicious wings, guys. Alright. So let's pull our cookie sheet over. sheet over. Add those wings right onto the cookie sheet. That absolutely delicious wings, guys. And you don't have to turn them, you don't have to do anything to them, but leave them in the oven for 45 minutes. Make sure all of them fit. 2 more wings to go. Get it in here. And this stuff, look at this. Smear all over the chicken. Just like so. Waste not, want not, guys. Waste not, want not. Oh. Just like this. So now we're going to get it into a 425 degree oven for 45 minutes. And, ooh, I missed the feather, guys. Look at that. Got that sucker. Alright, so we're going to get this into a 425 degree oven for 45 minutes. You don't have to turn it. You don't have to do anything to it. And when we come back, we're going to give them a try. So we're back. It did take longer than the 45 minutes in the oven. It took an hour and 10 minutes, right, to be fully cooked. So let's get these beautiful wings. I'm going to do 3. Oh. Then I made some sides, some homemade cream of spinach. Oh, so I'm gonna get my sides, guys. Oh man, this cream of spinach, amazing. I made some roasted potatoes in the oven, so I was cooking them while the chicken was cooking. So I made some roasted red potatoes. Alright, so I had my cream spinach, my beautiful chicken. Look at that. My potatoes. That looks absolutely amazing, guys. Y'all gotta try this dish. Y'all gotta like, share, subscribe. I'm gonna give it a taste. But I'm telling you, this is awesome. Oh my god, my house smells amazing. I made homemade cream spinach, roasted those potatoes. All of this while the chicken was cooking. I just threw the potatoes in the oven. Threw those potatoes in the oven. And made delicious. Oh, look at that. So, honey, lemon, garlic chicken. Oh, man. Oh, it has dropped the fuck good. Oh my god. Y'all gotta try this chicken. Oh. Look at it. And it's just coming apart with my fork like that. Amazing. It's hot. We gotta take it out of the oven. It tastes so good. Oh. When you spin it. Oh, I'm in heaven. Got some potatoes. So I roasted potatoes with all the seasoning, the Shelly's house seasoning, and that garlic onion stuff, the garlic onion blend that I got from Ross's. I sliced them into these small potatoes into wedges. Yeah, this whole meal, absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing, guys. Oh, yes. Take this no more. Hit me up my social media. Like, share, subscribe. All my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. All my other subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate y'all guys sticking in there with me, holding it down. Again, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, guys, have a wonderful day. And I'll see you in the next video.